That's a mood.
Buy a couch.
Let's buy a couch.
You want to help me shop for a couch?
Let's buy a couch.
Yeah? Because I want to put a couch in my room.
Yo.
Sammy. Sammy. Is it nice?
Hi there. Okay. I didn't even do anything. What is that? What is? It's a dog.
How's my hair look? Should I rock a comb over today or just the sloppy?
I don't know. Sloppy, maybe.
The natural sloppy look?
Yeah.
Bella, shut your mouth. Yeah.
Taste
I
test.
haven't eaten anything.
I haven't either, so.
I think that's a plan.
It's a plan.
We were thinking about going to.
You look cute, Aaron.
So do you.
Okay.
So does James.
You're right.
There's 3 cuties out here.
You're right. My bad.
Vibing. James,
Yeah.
so we go to the downstairs cafeteria where apparently they have like cheaper stuff.
Yeah.
And we taste test a bunch of stuff.
I'm down.
Like we get, cause he said like
It's literally like 50 cents.
Yeah, like everything was like
Swear.
$1.50, like everything was stupid cheap. So
we just buy everything.
yeah, basically
Everything.
Literally. The
IKEA
furniture
feast.
too.
The furniture too.
Yeah.
I do need a couch.
That's
Yeah,
a
I'm gonna
mood.
buy a couch.
Let's buy a
Yeah.
couch.
You want to help me shop for a couch?
Let's buy a couch.
Yeah.
Because I want to put a couch in my room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hard swipe. Bruh, from the bottom.
Oh, my bad. I don't have a phone like this.
Oh my gosh.
What is this, bro?
Sam, what kind of phone do you have? Tell the people.
A Google Pixel 3.
How's
Yeah.
I would highly recommend it.
How does it feel to be inferior?
I mean,
What do you mean?
I don't think it's like that.
You're like twice as inferior to me because I have AirPods too. So
I think it's cool, man. I think everyone got their different flavors of applesauce they like, and I just got mine.
talk to me.
Like, you may get smushed,
Yeah.
Yeah.
you may get pureed a little bit,
Yeah.
but you know what? At the end of the day, you still taste good.
Yeah. Talk to me.
Yeah.
Throw me one.
I got you.
Oh. Yo, you gotta clean that up.
On the phone?
Wait, what? It was on the phone?
It landed on my phone.
said throw it, though.
Yo.
You told me to throw it on the beat,
On
so
my
I threw it on the
hand,
beat.
not on my phone.
I missed.
Whoa!
We need to stay alive for this.
Yeah. I want to stay alive, please.
I want to stay alive. Whoa, what are y'all doing?
Man, that's
What's going
what
on?
is that? What?
Y'all cannot drive.
It's okay, man.
I'm getting myself over here because y'all are.
Let's pray for those
Crazy.
lanes. Let's pray for those lanes.
Yeah.
That truck is
I
wild.
pray for you.
They're gunking, bro. Relax. Sammy, talk to us.
I'm Sammy B,
Yeah.
choir boy number 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't know about the choir boys.
Well, they do now. They're
They
gonna
know
find
of,
out.
they know of 2 of 3.
Right. Regardless, I'm Sammy B,
They'll find out about choir boy number
Mr.
3.
AK's right hand man.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Literally, you're to my right.
I got you in the kitchen. I can chef it up. I'm a little student on a beat.
Where are you going next semester?
I'm going to Davis next.
Oh!
Yo.
Talk to me.
Get that bag, bro.
You secure that bag.
Right. So yeah, I'm just tagging along today with the boy AKs
You know what I'm saying?
and my favorite cameraman.
Yeah.
Know what I'm saying?
Know what I'm saying?
Jamesy on a beat.
Jamesy. We're the hardest.
You know about it, eh?
And I'm trying to buy a couch today.
Are you actually?
I don't know, maybe.
I don't think you're about it.
Maybe like a little futon.
I mean, like,
Futons are nice.
you would have to do to like they deliver it because ain't no couch.
I could hold it.
You go hold a couch.
Isn't IKEA relatively cheap?
I think so, yeah.
I've never been.
Yeah, I've never been either.
Never been either.
You've never been either? Bro, this is
None
so
of us,
sick.
yeah.
Alright, well, we'll see what happens. I might come home with the couch today.
That'd be kind of cute. Honestly.
That'd be kind of dope.
I need a banger right now. I need a banger.
I need Taco Bell with that meat.
Yeah. Where's the meat?
Where's the meat? I'm so cute, cuddly.
I'm so cute.
That's my house, man. Can't you see? Can't you see I'm Mickey on this beat? Can't you see? Can't you see I'm Mickey Mouse, man? But put a light,
What are
man.
you doing there? Just like,
What does that mean? dumb. We can park like them. She's stupid.
Is there space?
We're to IKEA. Hey, you got cookies in the oven?
Oh, this is dope.
This is pretty dope.
Why is
I'm
it
not
like
gonna
we're in a
lie.
house right now, but we're in a store?
That's
wild.
Man, IKEA is wild. What you
Hello?
cook-
My bad.
What you looking there?
This is my famous egg casserole. Just had to
What?
whisk it up.
Egg casserole. Do better.
Ooh,
I thought you were gonna go.
you're just jealous.
Aaron. You heard? Yeah.
Whoa, you can make one?
Wait, Aaron, what are you trying to do? Are we trying to
make
find?
the cheapest couch
Watch
possible?
out, go back.
Alright.
I got you.
Wait, are these the only options?
Who's this for? No.
Sammy B, what
Oh,
you
Sammy
mean?
feet? Oh, yeah. You already know.
Change furniture.
Yeah, okay. Wait, hold on. No. Which one looks the cheap? Probably that one.
Yeah.
Whoa, this is mad comfy.
Sit down.
Ooh.
Would this even fit my room?
To buy this item, contact an IKEA worker. Excuse me.
So I kind of got distracted and started taking pictures. I'll put them like right here. I don't, whatever, wherever. But they're like leaving me, so it feels bad. Oh no!
New challenge alert. We're gonna get a bunch of food, taste test all of it, and talk about it, huh? Yeah.
So what'd you get,
I
Aaron?
got a little pizza, and I got a veggie dog. I don't know why, but we're reviewing it, so you know.
Oh, yeah.
I got a little
Cool,
yogurt
IKEA food.
sundae,
Yeah.
Yeah,
and a burn a piece of the pizza, and I got a cinnamon roll with a little frosting, huh?
I feel it.
So let's get it going, huh?
Let's get it. How about you, Sam?
I got
What you
me a regular dog,
regular dog.
along
Alright.
with a slice of pizza.
Slice of pizza.
Cinnamon bun.
Cinnamon bun.
With frosting. He has
With
no frosting. And then I got me a regular schmegular ice cream cone.
I like it.
So
So
let's.
we doing the dogs?
I'm gonna try the dog.
Yeah, try the dogs first. Try the dogs
I don't know
first.
what this like purpley stuff on top is, but let's see what's cracking.
Alright. What you think?
You're not mad at it.
It's okay. It's
I
like
mean-
it's not good. Like
Bro.
I'm never gonna get this ever again.
For $1? Mine's pretty good. I'd give it a solid 6.5 out of 10.
6.5 out of
The
10.
veggie dog at 3.7.
Out of 10?
Yeah.
That's raw. Yeah, what is that?
I don't like what this is. I have no clue.
Tell us in the comments.
I like. I
Yeah,
just
we
took
need-
a,
we need-
I
we
took
need
a
help
bite
on that
of
one.
just that, and I have no idea what it is.
Pizza's up.
The pizza, huh?
Let's see what this pizza is
I kind of picked like a little burnt piece, but
Yeah, so did I. But you know, I like it.
I'm not impressed.
The dog was better. I'm giving this a 4. 4 out of 10.
Aaron?
You know,
Is it growing on you?
no.
I am real
But
hungry.
I feel like 4 is kind of low.
Yeah.
Maybe a 5, I guess.
You know, before I bit the crust, I was gonna say 5.17, but I think now I'm leaning towards 5.4.
Okay. I'll stay at a 5. Solid 5. Solid 5.
You heard it here.
What do you give it?
What I give it? It's a 5. It's a 5. It's not the best. It's not the best. Definitely not the best. But it's okay.
Eh?
So after pizza,
So after pizza, I got the yogurt sundae, eh? And
you got the yogurt sundae. You gotta come.
Finish up my pie.
I'm getting right to it because my things are melting, eh?
Yeah, why not? Why
So
not?
you better get to it, huh?
Yo,
Sammy. Sammy.
Is it nice? Alright, let's see it.
Mine's a melted. And I haven't even gotten to add the little fruit thing they got.
Yo, what?
What's good with it?
That's nice. I like that. That's solid.
I think I have my number.
What's your number? What's your number?
Wait, what do you guys say at the same time?
Yeah, what's your, what, how, okay, Sunday.
Well, you know me,
Cone.
I'm rocking with the decimals.
Decimal. All right.
Alright, 3.
2. What?
7.9.
Oh, I went high.
8.
8.3. Solid cone right here.
Why?
You
Why
wanna give
so?
it a taste, huh?
Yeah, why not?
You wanna give it a taste, huh? Tell me what you're thinking, huh?
Finally, the cinnamon roll.
So I got no little frosting.
No frosting.
I have high expectations.
Frosting. All right.
I feel like with the frosting would have been so much more fun.
Probably.
But this is plain.
By, is that where it's at?
Yeah.
That's where it's at.
This might be the best on the menu.
Oh yeah, I don't agree with that.
Well, you didn't get the frosting. That's
Even
why.
if it had the frosting, it wasn't better than that.
I didn't have that. This is 10 stars.
10 stars.
This
You're
is 10 out of 10.
crazy.
What would you give it?
I give it a. What I give that? A 7.9.
Yeah.
I give this a 6.9.
So one down. One down. That stuff feels bad.
No, this is 10 stars for me.
You know what I'm saying? We out here in Davis right now. We about to wrap it up. You know what I'm saying? We got some povers. You know what I'm saying? It's hot out here, bro. It's hot. It's hot. So we're done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Ring that bell so you know when we post.
Like it up.
So I don't see you on Sundays and you're like, Aaron, when are you guys posting again? Like, we post all the time. You gotta just ring that bell so you know as soon as we post. Like, what are we talking about, yeah?
And leave a comment.
Yeah,
Right.
leave it in the comments. Talk about
Say something.
who's funnier, me or Samuel, huh?
Who's funnier? Who's
Huh?
funnier?
Huh?
And what you think was the best food item at IKEA?
And what you want to see next from us,
What
huh?
do you wanna see?
What else you want to see us do, huh?
Sammy B signing out.
You heard? You done know.